Hi, I'm Chef Bailey, a private chef available on chefbailey.com, and I'm standing in the kitchen of Melba's 125 with the owner and chef herself, Miss Melba. Hey, Melba.
Hi, Chef Bailey.
Today, we're going to be making a treat for your Super Bowl party. It's authentic pork meatballs. To die, right?
I love pork.
And it's really simple. Once again, you just throw everything in a bowl, your pork being last.
Okay.
Make some meatballs, grill them, and they're done. But let me just go over what we're putting in the bowl first.
Alrighty.
On your end, we have some soy sauce and some fish sauce.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and put that in there.
Alrighty.
I have some onions here and some parsley.
Okay.
I'm gonna toss that in there as well. And the reason I like to put everything in the bowl first, you don't want to over knead your meat.
Right.
So sometimes people throw the meat in there first and then start throwing everything on top and knead it a little too much. We got some spices, just some salt, pepper, as well as some garlic powder.
Now, do you prefer kosher salt or
Sea
salt?
Personally, yeah.
Okay.
Sea salt is really good. And you don't need as much, you realize sometimes. Some cornstarch. You just want to toss some of that in there as well. And some sugar.
Okay.
And you would just mix that all around a bit, like so. And like I said, your pork goes in last. So you would just dump that pork in there and just start marinating it all up.
Okay.
And then you would form some meatballs, of course.
Ooh.
That's the fun part, forming meatballs and then skewering them.
Yes.
I like to make my meatballs on a stovetop grill.
Ooh.
So I use a little peanut oil to coat your grill, like
Right.
so, a little brushing. And then you would put that on there like so, yeah.
And do you have a preference?
No, just like that. It's
Okay,
fine
great.
for me, yeah. And actually, just brush them a little bit as well.
Great.
And keep tossing them, turning, what have you. They'll stick a little bit. You just want to keep them moving. And when they're done, when I tell you they are delicious, they look like this.
Ooh.
Some authentic Vietnamese pork meatballs. Once again, great for your party.
They look lovely.
Thank you, Melba.
Easy to serve and easy to cook, Chef Bailey.